You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this name. A Vietnamese baby name, meaning pearl. I believe it is gender neutral. You can use it both for boys and girls, but let us know in the comments if you think it's more boy or girl, or if you know anybody who's named that way, which gender they are. Vietnamese, Chau, Chau. Alright, so it's it essentially, at least in English, sounds very much like how you say hello in Italian. Ciao. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.